Yo, this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. We are at Main Story Co-op Chapter 24, Shining Spotlight, challenging Sygna Suit Elesa and Team Hard. Quick connect, and let's do this. Entertain me.
It's my turn now. Now's my chance. It's my turn now.
Who the heck? Why did you use apply yourself? Did you use apply yourself? Someone has an unstable connection. Nice.
Oh no! Strut your stuff. Now's my chance. Bend them to your will. Take this. Keep it up. Strut your stuff. Keep it up.
Everyone is paralyzed except for me. Let's use bite.
Time to battle. I'm stunning. Keep it up.
Oh my goodness, what just happened?
Time for a dramatic victory. Now! Strut your stuff.
Let's do this. Dark Pulse. Don't kill me.
Keep it up.
Don't kill me, please.
Strut your stuff.
Yes, flinching. Flinch. Keep flinching. And die. That's it. That is it. And with that said, we have defeated Elesa, or Sygna Suit Elesa,
I was hoping it
round
would be a bit
2, or hard. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys with the last one, very hard, in the next video. Thank you for watching.